At the same time, I'm a panelist on the show too. Sushant
Of
Bhai has
course
made
you
some
are.
points. Thank you. Don't interrupt, please. Thank you. Sushant Bhai has made a couple of statements. Let me tell you, Bade Bhai, the fact of the matter is, you also in the opening statement made statement that Congress Party is trying to de-Hinduize India. Respected सब कांग्रेस पार्टी हो या बीजेपी, किसी के बाप में दम नहीं कि मेरे हिंदू भाइयों को अपने मुल्क से डी हिंदुआइज करे. ये अपना मुल्क है, हम सबका मुल्क है. कांग्रेस पार्टी यह कोई भी पार्टी में दम नहीं है. दूसरी बात सुनिए भाई साहब, देखिए यू मेंशनड अबाउट राहुल गांधी. सुनिए भाई, आई डिड नॉट इंटरप्ट यू भाई. आई डिड नॉट interrupt you. Now hear me, please. 30 seconds, sir. The fact of the matter, let us understand, sir. We cannot equalize two wrongs here. पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने जो कहा निंदनीय है, गलत है. What Dhruv Saxena of the BJP IT cell is wrong, sir. But two wrongs don't make a right here. That man was a spy. And BJP ने क्या किया? Let us understand the National Investigate Agency of India, pat on their back, they did a brilliant job by exposing this terrorist who happened to be from the BJP party. Now the names, I'd really like to urge you to please give us the names. Who are these people who are in the PMO working against the country? I think if we make such statements, we must name them. And you should be in complete cooperation with the NIA and take them to task. ऐसे देशद्रोहियों के लिए, ऐसे दहशतगर्दों के लिए हमारे देश में जगह नहीं होनी चाहिए. And also as a matter of fact, sir, Rahul Gandhi, the statement he made about हमारी आर्मी पिटनी चाहिए, मैं उसे इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता. I do not believe that. But the fact of the matter is, let us understand, when it comes to Operation Sindoor, he said that we stand with the BJP, the ruling dispensation, we stand sacrosanct.
No, 1 second. And kept on saying कि हमारे कितने जहाज गिरे हैं, वो बताइए कितने लोग. 1 second. No, don't try to brush what is under the carpet. He also asked, बताइए. और आप लोगों ने इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करी, इस तरह के एलिगेशंस भी लगाए गए थे. So ये सिलेक्टिविटी मत कीजिए. नहीं, सिलेक्टिविटी मत कीजिए. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
No, look, very briefly, because time is of essence. It's very unfortunate that in this discussion, people have brought in religion or Hindu, Muslim and politics. Now, I respect Umair Bhai. He's an elder brother to me and he's a very erudite person. Lekin, for him to say that keeping the name as Operation Sindoor was political and religious shouldn't have been done in a secular country. I gave him the analogy. Congress kept religious names, Hindu names, Trishul, Trident. तब कहने लगे कि politicization हो रहा है. तो अब मैं आपको बता दूं कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इसलिए रखा गया because those barbarian terrorists, they mocked our sisters and brothers. They said ये सिंदूर मिटा रहा हूं तुम्हारा, जाओ मोदी को कह के दिखाओ कि सिंदूर मिटाया है. That is the reason why. और फाइनली मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगा उमेर भाई, हम सब एक ही हैं. कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम नहीं है. हमारे सारी दादियां नानियां सिंदूर लगाती थी, मेरी भी और आपकी भी. वो अलग बात है कि अब नहीं लगाती होंगी, लेकिन हम सब एक ही उससे आए हैं.
उमर जुनैदी.
Sir, first of all, thank you for calling me elder brother, but I am not your elder brother. I am very younger to you. So, you can call me younger brother. No, talking about the Trishul. Definitely Congress have named, but you know very well, sir, but this Trishul, Trident was not in that trend like how Sindoor was made. So, this is the politicizing of the naming of an operation.
तो कांग्रेस करे तो ठीक है, कांग्रेस करे तो ठीक है, ट्राइडेंट रख लिया, त्रिशूल रख लिया. लेकिन अगर बीजेपी डिस्पेंसेशन में उसका नाम सिंदूर रख लिया या महादेव रख लिया तो वो पॉलिटिसाइजेशन हो गया.
Definitely.
तब तो आप बड़े सिलेक्टिव है. आपको प्रॉब्लम नाम से है ही नहीं, आपको प्रॉब्लम पार्टी से है कि कौन सी पार्टी नाम रख रही है, आपको उससे प्रॉब्लम है. चलिए एक बात तो क्लियर, यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद त्रिशूल, यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद सिंदूर और महादेव. यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम अगर बीजेपी रखे तो, कांग्रेस रखे तो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, देन वी डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. प्रोफेसर मंडल.
No, we have problem with information. I repeat, how could Pahalgam happen? What was the intelligence department doing? How many heads rolled? Yes, Sindoor happened because of the Indian Air Force, because of the Indian Army. It's a joint operation. All of us can understand. But again, why did Sindoor stop? When all the political parties, including all India Trinamool Congress, they said go and have POK recaptured. That's what we said. Please let us reclaim that land, reclaim the territory of India. Why did you do this? Who stopped it? Did Mr. Trump make Mr. Modi stop? We want to understand. If the army, then who was controlling army? These information needs to come out.
So on one hand,
First
you
of
say
all,
that you are
I
not going to
repeat-
question the valor of our forces. On one hand, you say that you agree and you completely stand by your forces. And those very people, part of the defense forces, day in and day out, held the press conferences, told you how they got a call from the Pakistani side asking for ceasefire. They said Operation Sindoor is still ongoing. They said any other misadventure from the Pakistani side and we will resume the operation. But you don't want to trust those forces. You don't want to trust those very people that you're hailing today. Professor Manojit Mondal, who was the first one? No, one second. Professor Manojit Mondal, one second. If you agree with the forces, agree with what they're saying. Without questioning their intent or raising suspicion, agree when they tell you that the Pakistani side called us up for a ceasefire.
अरे आप बोलने नहीं देते हो, बुला लेते हो, बोलने नहीं देते हो, एक नैरेटिव खड़ा करके आते हो।
अरे इतनी देर से जो आप बोल रहे थे वो,
What did the foreign minister
इतनी देर से
say?
आप ही बोल रहे थे।
हम लोगों को उनको बताए, अरे सुनिए ना, what is this? What is this?
इतनी देर से आप ही बोल रहे थे।
Here the foreign minister saying, we had informed Pakistani counterpart. Did he say this or not?
Did he say हमने इन्फॉर्म किया उनको?
Before the operation Sindoor, we informed Pakistani
पहले आप मुझे
counterpart.
एग्जैक्ट
Did he say
स्टेटमेंट
or not?
बताइए। आप मुझे एग्जैक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताइए पहले।
What? The statement, yes, that was the exact statement. That we had informed the Pakistani army, we had informed the Pakistani dispensation about the Operation Sindoor.
Wow.
Why did he do that? Why did he do that?
Wrong. That is not what he said. That is not what he said. You are wrong. You are wrong. That is not what he said. You are wrong. That is not what he said.
Show me the statement.
गूगल कीजिए,
Show me the
आप कीजिए ना
statement.
गूगल,
Don't
आप ये
defend-
कहां से लेकर आए
don't defend
information?
him like a
Where did you get this information?
No,
Where did you get this
no,
information?
show me the statement.
Where did you
Show
get
me the
this
statement.
information?
Don't
Now
defend
you
him
show
like
us the
a
right
BJP
statement. It's
person.
your job. You
Show
show
me
us the right statement now.
Show me the
Dr.
statement.
Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan.
You want-
Yeah, no, I'm very thankful that you have not brought in Sushant Paji because his blood is boiling. Let me speak because he will blow his top off. So please don't bring Sushant Paji here. What is going on out here? My good friend Professor Mandal knows that we have a pact that any aggression has to be mutually decided and told upon. And it was told 15 minutes before. The specifics were not given. As to nuclear powers, we have signed an agreement. We kept that part of the agreement. What is he talking about, Professor Mondal? The specifics of where we are going to attack was not given. Please.
Lack of knowledge, lack of clarity, lack of strategy. That is the problem of the opposition. Thank you very much. Thank you, gentlemen. I'm wrapping up debate number 1.